Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to use ArcGIS for the first time. In case this is your first time using ArcGIS, you have the passion to learn how to map, but you don't know how to start. Okay, this video is for you. Assuming you've installed the software, but you don't know how to go about it. Yes, stay tuned. After this video, you'll be well familiar with this software and you can start from there. Yes, so we are going to go into 10 steps. We'll first look at data view and layout view. Then we'll look at how to connect folder. Then we will look at table of content. Then we will look at attribute table and labels. Then we are also going to look at ArcToolbox and search. We will explore coordinate systems. Then we will create shapefiles and also explore layouts and export a map at the final stage. So these are the stages we are going to go through, and by the time we are done, you'll be well familiar with this software and you can visit my channel and start watching some of the videos to create your favorite maps. Okay, so first of all, the moment you open ArcGIS like this, you see I've been using the software, so I have recent works. So when you become good at it and you start making maps, the moment you open it, you also see something like recent. So if you want to start with a map, a project that you are doing, you just click on it, then you click open, the project will come, then you start working with it. But if you don't want, then you just close it. So the interface will be like this. Have you seen it? That is how the interface will look like. Now, data view and layout view. What are they? When you open ArcGIS, this is the data view, and we have the layout view. If you go to the view tab, you see layout view. This is layout view. We will come back to the layout view, but before that, what is the general difference? The layout view is where you add your scale, legend, north arrow. Do you get it? Titles. And the data view is where you do the mapping. The data view, if you see a map, land use, land cover map, the person actually did their classification at the layout view. If you see a map digitized by someone has digitized the buildings, the roads, he did the digitization over here. Do you get it? If you see an elevation map, the person actually generated the contours at the data view. When the person was done, then he switched to the data layout view and added his scales, legend, north arrows, and those stuff. Do you get it? So these are data view and layout view. Aside from here, you can change them at the left side corner here. Have you seen here? Have you seen here? Data view, layout view. We will come back to the layout view. But before that, now, how do we connect a folder? Let us learn how to connect a folder. But before we connect a folder, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that one key feature that you can't go without when it comes to using this software called ArcGIS is ArcCatalog. When you come to the window tab, you see catalog over there. Have you seen it? What is the use of ArcCatalog? In GIS and mapping, we deal with folders, we deal with shapefiles. Do you get it? And these folders and shapefiles, it is the catalog that actually contain them. The catalog contains the folders and the shapefiles that we work with. If you have an area image, you save it at the catalog. If you have a shapefile of your buildings, if you have your raster data, land use, land cover map, if you have all the data that you'll be working with, it is the catalog that actually stores it. And without a catalog, it will be very, very difficult for you to do mapping. So that is ArcCatalog for you. Now, having known what the ArcCatalog is, let us look at how we can connect a folder. Because if your desktop is here and you have a folder over here, do you get it? You have to connect the folder to the software through the catalog before you can use it. Do you get it? So this is my folder. Have you seen it? Gen1. If you come to the my desktop, this is it. Gen1. Have you seen it? It is on the desktop. If I haven't connected it here, I won't be able to work with it. So if you open the Gen1, you see that I have a lot of folders over here. I have Ghana shapefiles over here. This is Ghana shapefile. This is it. The Ghana boundaries and all those stuff. I have projects that I have done for my friends and my lecturers. I have projects that I have done for my LinkedIn posts when I was a student during my thesis. These are the projects that I did. Do you get it? So you come to the catalog, you go to your particular folder, then you drag your shapefiles and you start working with them. I hope you are getting the logic. So the catalog is very, very important when it comes to ArcGIS. So assuming you've created your folder, you want to connect the folder. Let me reconnect it. So I have disconnected it. Do you get it? So if I want to connect this G1, you come here, you right click on folder connection, then you go to connect to folder, then you locate the folder. It is at the desktop. This is it, G1. Then I click OK. You can also connect specific folders. If I want to connect this particular folder, I can just click on it and connect that one. In that way, it is not the whole G1 that will be connected. I hope you are getting me. But I want to connect all the G1. So I'll just select it. I have connected G1. So now G1 is not only on the desktop, it has been connected to ArcGIS, and I can work with that folder. Are you getting the logic? Yes. So that is it. So now we've gone through later view and layout view, and we've looked at how to connect a folder, and now we know how important the catalog is when it comes to mapping. Now let us look at table of content. If you go to the window tab, you see table of content over there. This is table of content. Have you seen it? What is table of content? Table of content actually organizes layers. So in ArcGIS we have features. A feature is any geographic object that can be represented on a map. So a road is a feature and we represent it with a line. Do you get it? A settlement is a feature and we can represent it with points and polygons. So when these features, you drag them from here and they come here, it is the table of content that is going to arrange them. So let us go to the Ghana shapefile. If you go to the Ghana shapefile and Ghana shapefile, this is the Ghana shapefile. This is the Ghana shapefile. So we have Ashanti region. Have you seen Ashanti region? We have Asokore Mampon. Asokore Mampon is here. We can also drag the Ghana settlements over here. Ghana road is here. Then Ghana settlements. Have you seen? So it is the layers that is actually grouping them. And this is what the layers do. It brings the points at the top. Lines will follow. Then polygons will be at the bottom. This is because if you bring a polygon up, it will cover the points and lines. Do you get it? That is why it automatically does that. And one thing that the layer does is that it organizes it according to frames. So if you go to the layout viewer, sometimes you see a map like this. Let me show you something. Have you seen this? This one, this one, this one. Do you get it? The person actually came to the layout view. Then this is one frame. Okay, let me do something. I'll come to the toolbars, but then I want to show you something. So the person actually came here. This was one frame like this. Do you get it? One frame like this. And the person dragged the required shapefiles in it. Shapefile of this. Do you get it? These shapefiles. Do you get it? So he dragged them here. Then he came here, data frame, and inserted another data frame and dragged another one. Are you getting the logic? So the person just inserted 3 frames, and after inserting the 3 frames, he dragged their required or specified layers into them, and they became the 3 layers that you see, the 3 frames that you see. Are you getting the logic? So here he dragged the shapefile of Kentampo North, shapefile of Ghana District, shapefile of major and minor roads. Then here he dragged shapefile of the regional district, shapefile of the whole Ghana. Then here he dragged shapefile of Ghana Sea. So when you do that, this is what the table of content does. It groups them according to the layers and according to layers of the frames. So these layers are for this frame, and these layers are for this frame. Are you getting it? So at the layout view, you can work with different frames, but when you are coming to the data view, you have to select one of the frames and come and work it with it here. Have you seen it? And you can't work with 2 frames over here. You see these 3 maps, these 3 frames, you can work with them at the layout view. But if you are switching to the data view, you have to select the one that you want to go to work with it. I hope you are getting it. Yes, so that is it when it comes to the table of content. It groups layers according to their order and according to their various frames. And now I've used the opportunity to also teach you what data frame is. Do you get it? Okay. Now let us look at labels too. So we have labels. Sometimes you see a map and you see that the person has labeled the features Patra, Ampedu, and those stuff. This is what he did. This is what he did. He actually went to the attribute table. When you right click on this, so we are exploring the attribute table, then you go to attribute table. This is attribute table. What is attribute table? Attribute table contains the informations about the maps or the shapefiles that you see over here. So when you see the maps like this, here you only see the boundary, the points of the settlement, but there are informations about the shapefiles that is hidden, and those informations can be seen at the attribute table. So if you come here, you could see that we are having FID, area, this, then we have captions. So these are the captions. The captions are the names. Do you get it? So if you double click here, it will take you to the, so this is the settlement called Akpedi. Do you get it? There's a settlement also called Nkwanta. Have you seen it? So if you want the names of the settlement to appear, then you do what we call add labels or label features. You see, the names are here. Have you seen it? That is how come we were able to add the labels over here. And sometimes when you add the labels, you see that maybe the names are too small for you, you want to increase the font size, you just right click, then you go to properties. When you go to properties, then you change the font style and font size over there. Are you getting the logic? You can come here, then you change your font style, then you change your font size. Have you seen it? And one other thing, very quick. You see the captions over here. You see ID. ID is here, caption is here, style is here. Let's see something. Right click, properties. You see, ID is the one showing. That is why the names are there. If we show style and click OK, you see that 000887 is showing. This is because when you come here and you look at the style, these are the figures that are there. So when you are doing the map and you are labeling features and you are not seeing the names, then you can go there and check it. So that is attribute table and how to label features. Now let us look at toolbars. You see that I went here and added a toolbar. The maps that we do over here, we use toolbars to do that. Let me unlabel the features. We use toolbars to do. If I come to the layout view and I want to write a title over here, I will need a toolbar to do that. You go here, we call it draw to. This is it. Then you activate it. The draw to has the text where I can write the text over here. I can write the title. Do you get it? I can write the title, let's say double click, then write map of Ghana. Have you seen it? You just relax, see what I am doing. Do you get it? Then I can just put the title over here. Do you get it? So if I want to write a title, this toolbar has the things that can help me write the title. Have you seen it? You see the line over here. This toolbar has the line. I'll just come to the rectangle side, choose the line, then I'll draw the line. Have you seen it? Yes. So we have a lot of toolbars that we use. You see this pointer. Have you seen it? Yes. It is found on this particular toolbar. This is the layout toolbar. No, that's not the layout toolbar. That is the standard toolbar. Let's go to the standard toolbar. No, tools toolbar. Have you seen it? So without the tools toolbar, I won't be able to get that pointer to use over here. So unless I go there and activate the tools toolbar. Have you seen it? It has this particular hand tool that is used to move the map within the frame, and when you come to the data view, you use it to move the maps. Then we have this one that is used to move the whole frame. We use it to move the whole frame. Do you get it? And the standard toolbar or the layout toolbar has the big hand like this that we use it to move the whole frame. Have you seen it? And when you go to the data view, that one, you will not see that one. We use that one only here. So if you are mapping and the map is shifting to this, then you use that one to bring it here. Do you get it? And we have on this toolbar zoom in and zoom out. Use it to zoom in the map, to zoom out the map. If you want to zoom out the whole thing, you come here, zoom out the whole map, zoom out the whole map. Then this one will view it to the necessary extent. Have you seen it? So other toolbars that we use, we have the editor toolbar. This is it. We use it to draw buildings, rows, and yes, if you see all these boundaries here, the person actually drew them. Let me go to zoom to layer. The person actually used this, start editing, and drew this boundary. Do you get it? Yes. The lines, the points, we use the editor toolbar to do that. So what I am trying to say is that we use toolbars in mapping. Without the toolbars, you can't actually perform some of the processes over here. So it depends on the toolbars that you need. Then you go, then you activate them, then you start using them. Do you get it? So now, have it at the back of your mind that toolbars are also important when it comes to this mapping. So we have the editor toolbar, the layout toolbar, the standard toolbar is also there. So we can just go here, then we activate the standard toolbar. Standard toolbar. So the standard toolbar has the save button. If you want to save the map, it has it. So without that one, you won't be able to save your map when you are done. It has the undo button as well and the redo button. And instead of dragging the data from the catalog, do you get it? You can also use this one to drag the data. Have you seen it? Yes. So those are the toolbars those are toolbars, and I wanted you to know. Yes. Now let us look at ArcToolbox. ArcToolbox. So what is ArcToolbox? This is the brownish color over there. Have you seen it? And if you go to the geoprocessing, you see ArcToolbox over there. Okay, so the ArcToolbox is here, and with the ArcToolbox, it has the various tools. It's like the toolbox you see when you go to the mechanic shop. So for example, we have the conversion tool. This conversion tool actually converts PDF into a TIFF. TIF is a file format of ArcGIS. So if you have a PDF, you can convert it to a TIF, which is a recognized file format of ArcGIS. It can also convert raster to polygon. Do you get it? Yes. So it can convert all these. It can convert a point to a raster. It can convert a polygon to a raster, a polyline to a raster. Do you get it? Yes. So that is the conversion tool. Normally, I also use KML to layer. So I go to Google Earth Pro. If you want to know Google Earth Pro, how to use it, you can check this video. Go to Google Earth Pro, create some KML shape files, then I convert it over here. Do you get it? It also has the spatial analyst tool. With a spatial analyst tool, for example, have you seen surface? With this, you can create a slope map. You can also create a contour line over here. Have you seen it? So it has a lot of tools, and the moment you open the tool, it has a sub tool, and those ones also have their sub ones. There are a lot of them. Even me, I haven't been able to use all of them. Normally with a data interoperability tool like this, data management tool, when you come here, there is topography tool over here. Do you get it? So that is the ArcToolbox, and normally you don't want to go through the stress to locate. You don't even know the steps to get them, so you will use the search. So you go to the window. Have you seen the search? You select it, it will be here. You can even bring it here. Then you come here, you make sure it is at local search. Then let's say raster to polygon. You search for it, then you choose it, raster to polygon, then you choose it. When you have this, then you can convert a raster to a polygon. That is what we mostly use when we are done with land use land cover map. We convert the raster to this polygon so that we can calculate the area for the various inventories. Have you seen it? So if you don't want to go through the stress to look for a tool over here, you can use the search to search the tool right away, then you start using it. Do you get it? So that is ArcToolbox and search for you. Now let us look at coordinate system. Coordinate systems. Now, ArcGIS is not like Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Excel. This is a software that we use in connection with the geographic locations. So if I am saying that the distance from here to here is 25 kilometers, it should be the same on the ground when I measure it. If I am saying that the area of this whole region is, let's say, 1,000 acres, I'm just assuming 1,000 acres, it should be the same when I measure it on the ground. Are you getting the logic? We actually operate with the live location on the ground, and to do that we use coordinate system. So the coordinate system, if you right click, you see data properties over here, then you go to coordinate system. Have you seen the coordinate system over here? The widely used coordinate system is the ArcGIS 1984, and we have the UTM zone 30 north. So before that, we have geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system. The ArcGIS 1984 is under the geographic coordinate system. It is mostly the widely used ones, and we use them when we don't want to perform, or we won't perform a geometric calculations. For example, if you won't need to calculate the area of all this region, then you can use the geographic coordinate system. It sees the world as round. Do you get it? Yes, so you can use it if you won't do any calculation. But if you are going to do calculation, maybe in an assignment they tell you when you are done, calculate the length of the rows, calculate the area of the boundary, then you need to switch to the projected coordinate system, which is the UTM zone 30. Ghana's favorable projected coordinate system is UTM zone 30. That is why you see it. If you are watching me from Nigeria or any other parts of the world, you have to search on Google and know where your country is located when it comes to geographic projected coordinate system. The projected coordinate system sees the world as flat. It has flattened the earth surface and has put countries into zones, and Ghana is at the zone 30 northern hemisphere. Do you get it? So to get the geographic coordinate system, you go to geographic coordinate system, then you come here, world, then you come down, you see the ArcGIS 1984 over there. I didn't want to go through the stress, so I right click and add it to frame. That is why you see it over there. At the projected coordinate system, you go here, then you go to UTM, then you go to northern hemisphere, then you scroll down, so you see UTM zone 30, the ArcGIS. That is where Ghana is. Do you get it? Yes. So when you get it, then you favorite it. Have you seen it? Yes. So that is coordinate system. We will be using the coordinate system to create shapefile. So if you create a shapefile, you need to use the coordinate system so that it will link to the earth surface for every analysis you do to be accurate. Do you get it? Yes, so that is coordinate system, and it is very, very integral part when it comes to mapping. Now let's go to the catalog, how to create a shapefile. We are back to the catalog. So with the catalog, you let me create a new folder. You can create a folder within a folder. So say Kwofae. This is my YouTube channel. Most of the videos have been created over here. So in the catalog, you can right click on a folder, then you go to new. You see folder over there. So introduction to GIS. Do you get it? So now let us create a shapefile. What is a shapefile? A shapefile is simply files that are containing the features that you are working with. So for example, these are shapefiles. It contains the settlement of the country. These are rows, lines containing the rows of the country, and these are boundaries. Do you get it? So this is how we create a shapefile. To create a shapefile, you right click on the folder, then you go to shapefile. Then let's say you create boundary. You come here, then you choose polygon, because boundary cannot be a line, it can't be a point. You come to edit. I won't do any calculation, then I choose this one. Okay, you see, I have created this. You get it? You can right click again, new, shapefile, road, then you choose line. Choose this one again. Okay, you can right click again, shapefile, then you can choose, let's say, settlements. You can maintain the point. Okay, so the issue is that you see all these settlements. If you are working at the location of the settlement, you see that the settlement has boundaries, but because we've zoomed out to the extent of the region, you can't see the boundaries of the settlement. That is why we decided to represent them with points. Are you getting it? So there could be an instance where this particular Ashanti region will look like a point on the world map. Are you getting the logic? Now let me remove like off the Ghana settlement, off the road as well. Have you seen it? You see Asokore-Mampo. If you zoom out, you see that Asokore-Mampo is looking like a point. Yes. So there are instances where you would have to use a point to represent a settlement. But if the boundary is visible, then you can use polygon to represent it. And mostly lines are used to represent roads and rivers. Do you get it? You can go through my channel. I have a video where I actually showed how to draw points, lines, and polygons when you are done creating the shapefile. Do you get it? But that is how we create a shapefile, and that is it. Now, let us look at the design. Let us go to the layout view. So view, layout view. This is it. Okay. Now, let me just remove this particular layer. I don't need it. So let me bring this one in. Have you seen the way I am using it? I am using this particular one to move it. But before that, when you come to the layout view, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to look at your paper size. Do you want the paper size? Me, I don't want the paper size. The default paper size is portrait. So you go to File, Page and Print Setup. Size, okay, this one is for the frame within. This one is for the whole paper. So you come, you uncheck this. We have letter, legal, this. When you come down, we have A0, A1, and A2, A4, A5. I want A1, then I choose it. Then I choose landscape. Then I check this. Okay, you see that the paper size has changed. Do you get it? Then you can, let me use this and bring this here. Then I can use this to actually widen it. Have you seen it? This is not map of Ghana, it's actually map of Ashanti region. Oh yeah, let's maintain the map of Ghana. Have you seen it? So now let me check this. So this is map of Ghana or map of Ashanti region. I have to rechange the Ashanti region. Ashanti region. Have you seen it? Yes. So you can even do this. You can increase the. You just come here. Have you seen the point? You double click. This will pop up. Then you choose the one you like. Have you seen that? The point has changed. Have you seen it? It has changed. You can even come here and increase the size. Have you seen it? Yes. Then the road to. I think this is the road of the shapefile I created. So let me remove it. That is the Ghana roads, right? You can double click on the line. You increase the size. You change the color. You can also choose from here. See that? It has changed. Have you seen it? It looks like Asokoreman point is hidden. So I can even bring it up. Have you seen it? Yes. So if you want to label the features too, you can label the features. Have you seen it? Now, as I said earlier on, I'll go to the property area. Then I'll choose the caption. Now I'm having the names of the settlements. Have you seen it? Yes. So that is it. If it is too clumsy or it is just making the things unclear, you can just remove it. This is just for introductory purpose. Have you seen it? Then we can go here and reduce the size. The size to this 36, 72. You can bold in it. 100. All right. My favorite font style is Garamond, so I can come here, then I choose this. Have you seen it? Yes. So that is it. I think I have taken you from data view and layout view. Now we know how to actually explore the layout view, and now let us look at how we can export a map. Assuming you are done, how do you export the map? You come here, you go to exports. Let me choose a folder. Okay, sometimes you have to specify the folder you want to save it in. Do you get it? Let's say desktop. I want to save it at the download button. Download folder. Choose download. Ashanti region. Okay, so now let us go there and see something. Have you seen the map we've created? Have you seen it? Okay, now let's do this. When I was saving it, I didn't talk about this. When you come to the exports, you don't just export it. What you do is that you see JPEG, you see PNG, and you are also going to see TIF, PDF. Do you get it? So which of the formats do you want to save? You select it. If you choose the JPEG, for instance, you see the resolution. It is at 200. The more you are reducing it, the less the map will look nice. Have you seen it? So if you want the map to look very nice, you can increase your resolution to 2000. Do you get it? But sometimes it depends on the strength of the computer. If you increase it to 1000, maybe the computer will shut down before it's finished exporting. So the highest I can go, or I have been going, is 500. The highest is 1000. Do you get it? So you can choose the resolution over here, then you click save. You get it? You see that when I was saving, it kept so long. It was because the resolution is high. That is why. And sometimes when you reduce it, it exports very fast. So you choose it, then you save it. Have you seen it? But I think now it has saved fast. Okay, that is exports. When you are exporting the map, what if you want to save the project you've done? Like when I was opening at first, I saw recent work. What if you want to save it so that when you come back, you don't redo what you've done? You go to File, you go to Save As, then you look at folders you've worked with. So now I'm working with this particular folder, say Kwofae. How to create, or introduction to, where is it? Introduction to GIS. How is it? Then I'll just intro to GIS. Save. So when you go to the folder, have you seen it is here? So when I open the map, it will be part of the recent works. So that is how you save the project you've done, and that is how you export the map. So now this is the map. Yeah, so that is how that is introduction to GIS, and we've moved from data view, layout view. We connected a folder, we explored table of contents, we explored attribute table, toolbars, the ArcToolbox, and created a shapefiles, and now we've exported the map after we've explored the layout view. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel for me. I am struggling to grow. I am really struggling. I am struggling to grow, to be very, very honest. Help me to grow. And if you've been watching my videos, kindly like this particular video so that it can get to a lot of people. When you like the video, you are helping the video to go far, and you are helping me by motivating me to create more videos. Yes, so help a brother. Yes, thank you very much. With the data, when you go to the internet, sometimes if you search Ghana shapefile, you can get website that you can download them. Do you get it? Yes. And if you are a student, you can ask your GIS TAs, teaching assistant or lecturers. They can help you out. Do you get it? But then if you still want the particular shapefile I used, you can tell me in the comment section, and I'll give you a link so that you can download it. Yes, thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.